Why would somebody need a gun?
Protect themselves, of course.
From what? From who?
I mean, it's hating ass people everywhere you go. Yeah, that, yeah.
Do y'all feel like y'all ever need a gun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, heck shit. H to the double hockey stick shit.
Even if I ain't carrying it, as long as I know I got one, I'm cool.
It's just still though, like nowadays, you feel me, young niggas hating on other young niggas. You don't want to see another young nigga make it out there. You feel me, out there, you know, but
You ain't even gotta carry it around all the time. Yeah.
Just to know you have a gun.
Just to know you got one.
Why?
Just to
for
have-
protection.
Yeah, protection.
From who?
Anybody.
You got
Anybody who's threatening you.
Who is coming after you?
young
Don't
black,
matter, I'm
young,
just- that's
young black
fine.
males. They don't fight no more.
It ain't even that. I get what he's saying, who's coming. Anybody can be coming after you. You never know. You never know what the world's gonna throw at you.
So do you feel like somebody is always after you?
I mean, you should. I mean, you always. That's the number one key. Make sure you're safe.
If you getting money.
Yeah.
Do you know how unhealthy it is to believe that somebody's coming after you all damn day?
Nah,
When
not
you
me.
get
Not
money-
every day.
When you
Not
out here
every
getting money in
day.
the street, you a target.
I mean, you shouldn't want to think that every day. Not every day now.
Y'all think y'all ever have to shoot anybody?
Who?
No.
Yeah, if it came down to it, I'm popping somebody.
So what's something that'll make you actually want to shoot somebody?
Shit, I don't know. You gotta trigger me off.
How?
Or you rob me, I'm shooting you. Straight like that.
Yeah. That
What'll make you shoot somebody?
Oh man, you touch any one of my family members, homies, any of that. It's only a couple homies, so you ain't even gotta worry. Like I'm going out, like I got like 12 homies. It ain't even that much. Just
Why you gotta do you feel like people put themselves in positions to where they need a gun?
Yeah.
yes,
Some people be running around out here doing all this,
especially the internet talkers.
doing all this dirt.
The internet talkers are the ones who do it. That's what started it.
I ain't got to carry a gun, man. I ain't got to carry a gun.
So do y'all feel like y'all gotta carry guns?
Nah. Not right now. Ain't nothing going on right now.
So what about you feel like you gotta carry a gun?
No, I can fight.
But if it come down to it,
So at what point in time
When I feel like
when should somebody pick a gun up?
when somebody's threatening your life, if it's a life-threatening situation, and they got a gun or something, well, that's a life-threatening situation. You better go get you a strap, cause they about to bust you before you bust them.
When should somebody pick up a gun? What?
you said when?
Yeah.
At a gun range. Let me see. I don't know. Only time you should be picking up a gun is protect yourself.
Is that the only way you can protect yourself?
No.
I mean, that's the safest way.
The safest way is using a gun.
Hell yeah.